Hello friends, welcome to NJCT. We are learning social science of 10th standard and we have started with the chapter number first, that is Heritage of India. In the previous video we talked about different kind of people who arrived to India. Even before the Dravidians, we talked about Negrito and Australoid. Now in this video, we are going to talk about the Dravidians. Dravidian people are a large group living in South Asia. There are around 245 million people of Dravidian tribe. Originally, Dravidians belonged to India. They were the direct descendants of the Stone Age civilization and the creator of Mohenjo-daro culture. Now, what is Stone Age civilization? You can say that Stone Age was one period, and during that period, stone was widely used to make tools, and this period lasted for roughly 3 to 4 million years. And after that period, humans started making tools and weapons from bronze. So Dravidians were the direct descendants of this Stone Age civilization. Now what is Mohenjo-daro culture? Mohenjo-daro is one place in the province of Sindh, Pakistan, and it was one of the largest ancient place of Indus civilization. And Mohenjo-daro was well known for its urban planning. Here you can see one map. Here you can see India's map, and in this map the colored region shows the area of Dravidians. The tribes which came from north survived with their language and cultural features. Later on, they were only called as Dravidians. Dravidians gave the concept of mother as goddess and father as a god. So, Dravidian religion was centered around the worship of goddess. The concept of Shakti was an integral part of their religion. So the thought of Parvati and Shiva as mother and father developed. Moreover, the tradition of worshipping nature is the gift of the Dravidians. We know that nature is the essential part of our life, and Indians across the country worship nature. The sun, moon, air, trees, mountains and rivers are considered holy. We know that if we nourish nature, it nourishes us, and if we destroy nature, it destroys us. So this concept of worshipping nature is the gift of Dravidians. The tradition of worshipping with Dhoop, Deep and Aarti are considered to be the gifts of the Dravidians. Besides, nature and animal worshipping, etc. are their great features. Dravidians worshipped nature as well as animals. We call a cow as Mata. Original deities of Dravidians have been accepted by Aryans and were re-established by them as a god of culture with pace of time. Under the tremendous influence of North, Aryan culture was deeply internalized by the Dravidians. Hence, intercaste marriages took place. Dravidians have matriarchal system of family. What do you mean by matriarchal system? It is one system which is ruled by women. So as we have seen that Shakti was at center in Dravidian culture. Dravidian progressed a lot in different crafts and art like building of boat and raft, weaving, spinning, dyeing, etc. Due to the dominance of the Aryans, they shifted to South India and settled there. As a result, today we can see the people speaking Dravidian family languages like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam, etc. So, first of all, we can say that Dravidian was in North India, but after invasion of Aryans, they shifted to South India and settled there. And now you can see a lot of people speaking Dravidian languages in South India, and that's why we consider them as the most ancient people of India. Now, moving ahead, we will talk about other tribes. We will talk about Mongoloid. They came to India from North China via Tibet and settled down at North Assam, Sikkim, Bengal, Bhutan, etc. They gradually Indianized themselves. If we talk about some physical characteristics of Mongoloids, then yellow complexion, flat face, chubby cheeks, almond shaped eyes. So here you can see one picture of them. Their eyes are of almond shape. Having yellow complexion, Mongoloids were known as Kirat. Kirat means mountain people. So these people used to live in mountainous area, and that's why they are known as Kirat. Then moving ahead, we will talk about Alpine, Dinaric and Armenoid. These people migrated from Central Asia. Here you can see the side face of these three tribes. All these three tribes have similarities. The origin of these tribes are found in a large number in Gujarat, Saurashtra, Maharashtra, Bengal and Odisha. So now you can understand that how many tribes have come before Dravidians and what are their features. We talked about Negrito, Australoid, Dravidian, Mongoloid. Now in the next video we will talk about the Aryans.